Hi, Generals. Welcome to this week's General Time. We are looking at the geometry classroom. And for the next couple of days, our lesson is brought to us by a good friend of mine named Harvey Alamo. He is an instructor at James Madison University, and he made this smartboard lesson. Let's get started with understanding the quadrilateral family reunion. All this week we'll be looking at quadrilaterals, which is a huge segment of the geometry EOY. Today you're going to take great notes on all of the different parts of a quadrilateral family. If you have the Smart Notebook file, go ahead and just open it up and take notes on each page. No need to actually come back to the video file. Let's click next. Okay, here is a diagram of how the quadrilateral family works. Go ahead and write all of this down. This is what it means. This is the basic 3 types of quadrilaterals. And then from there we have subsets, meaning that a parallelogram is a type of a quadrilateral. A rectangle is a type of a parallelogram, but it actually has more features, as well as a rhombus. And then both a rectangle and a rhombus, a square falls underneath it. There's a trapezoid, as well as an isosceles trapezoid. And here's another type of trapezoid, or in particular, a kite. So again, take down these shapes into this tree form to help you with the assessments that we will have later in the week. Okay, great. Now you have taken down the family. Let's get ready to take some more notes. Again, here's the information for a parallelogram. Pause the video as you write not only the diagram, but the properties of a parallelogram. Unpause the video when you are done. Here's our next one, a rectangle, or his name is Roxy. Her name is Roxy Rectangle. She's a parallelogram with 4 congruent angles. Again, pause the video as you write the notes down. Unpause when you are done. Okay, now we have Rick the rhombus. He's a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. So again, make note of what the rhombus looks like, as well as the properties and its sides and information. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, here's a square, or Sally the square. She is a rectangle with 4 congruent sides, or a rhombus with 4 congruent angles. Unpause the video when you are done. Alrighty, trapezoid. This is Travis the trapezoid. Again, pause the video as you write down the details of the trapezoid, including the picture and its properties. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, here's an isosceles trapezoid. Again, unpause the video when you are done taking the notes. Here's a trapezium. I am a quadrilateral with no pair of parallel sides. I am the mysterious one. You very seldom hear of me here in the United States, but in Great Britain, I'm known as a tag trapezoid. Again, write the notes. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, now we have a kite. My name is Cool Kite. I am a trapezium with a 2 pair of adjacent congruent sides. Again, take all of the notes. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, now let's review. List all of the properties of a parallelogram and label this blank parallelogram below. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, now list all the properties of a square and then label the parts of a square like you have in your notes. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, list all the parts of a trapezoid. Label all of its parts just as it's labeled in your notes. Unpause the video when you are done. And last but not least, list all of the properties of a rhombus and label the parts of a rhombus on the diagram on the screen. Unpause the video when you are done. This concludes our lesson, generals. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Have a great day.